Nobody.
Oh, thank God! I thought it was another. Okay.
What? Where are? Oh.
They're on point.
Okay, going
No.
main, going main. No, we're still
They're
going
not
upstairs.
on point.
We're still taking high ground.
They're all on right. They're all
Hit
on
this
right.
diva. Diva 1.
You got a
Come
Symmetra?
on, come on. Upstairs,
Or-
up the stairs. Go, go, go. Winston's low.
Sombra behind us. Girl behind us.
Get high ground. Get up the stairs, guys. Come on.
Everyone heal up.
Yeah, you didn't go up. Okay, I'm on point.
I need to. Oh.
Let's try.
I'm down.
That took way too long.
Get the first.
Then get out!
Get
out
some
if
mercy.
you can, Lethal.
I can't.
Okay, get out, get out. If you can try to.
Come on.
This will protect us.
I'll try and
Yeah.
cover you.
We didn't follow Stack to go up there. We all
Nope,
went
we did.
like.
I was the only one that was there.
I was trying to get our team out because
No
they were fighting
excuses,
from behind.
guys. Focus on the game. Take the commentary. Focus on the call for next time, okay?
Okay, ready? You guys
Yep.
ready?
Yep.
Okay, push in, top right, top right.
Number right there.
Let's go, we're just going.
Get her, get her, get her.
Stairs, up the stairs.
Nice,
up
go
the
to point,
stairs.
go to point.
Ooh.
Okay, I
Okay.
gotta go straight. Keep going up the
Now we
stairs.
get
Get the
it.
high ground. Get the high ground. Oh, we're already done.
No, we gotta get out.
Yep, get out.
Mercy, follow me.
She has no line of sight.
Mercy, come on.
I don't think we should go that way because we're just gonna get.
What?
It's okay, it's okay. Still have time for another engagement.
Let's go in the left room, and then once we're in position, have Lethal jump in behind him. Ready?
Yep.
We did a score's called.
Go in, go in, go in. Left, left, left. Go, 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 go.
Tracer
Watch
behind.
out for this. For this
Where?
tilt
The
type
tracer.
attack. Okay, just keep going left. Come left.
Keep going.
Tracer behind still.
Engage.
It's
She's
okay,
down,
you
I'm
gotta
stuck.
pick.
Come left.
Here comes
Move up
Winston.
fast,
Come on.
then go in.
Diva
Lethal,
discord.
Diva, Diva,
Lethal,
Diva.
jump in.
Stop your mercy.
Oh no, Lethal. Why'd you? Oh, okay. On point.
That was my bad. I was out of position.
It's okay.
On point.
Focus
I
on
got
what
Shatter.
you can do right now.
Barry coming down in a second, Brian.
I don't think
Kill
that
him,
was a
kill him,
good idea.
Mm.
Okay, get out.
Well, we had
Sombra
three
is
people on point.
screwing me.
Okay.
Lethal.
When the Winston comes in behind us, we cannot just stand there.
It was on college.
I did call him.
Tracer behind that base. She's out of there.
My ultimate is charging.
You don't need to go and choke till we're all ready. You just feed
Like,
the
this
elves.
Tracer's constantly in our face. Let's just focus her
Runs up.
down.
Okay.
Yep,
let's
we're on
go.
here.
Let's go.
We're gonna go top
Which
right
way?
again. Through the small room. Top right, top right. Everyone go. Hold W.
Tracer.
Going up. Yep, just keep holding W. Come on, go, go, go.
See, they're behind us now. It's not gonna work.
Keep going, keep going.
We all have the same move speed. We should be getting
Doesn't
there
matter.
together.
Get in there, focus on what they say.
I'm down.
Hold out a little longer, and we're done here.
So the problem there is we're stopping to try to fight, and that's not where we want to fight. We want to fight on high ground, so we just have to move as fast as possible.
I just
For
got
us-
instantly
for us
helix
to do
rockets
that, I think
deleted
we
from
needed a
behind,
Lucio to
so-
speed boost us up the
Yeah,
stairs.
I think
was
I-
the issue.
I disagree
I didn't
with
have
us
the movement
going that
speed
way.
with just walking. I can't get the stairs otherwise.
Hmm.
You either turn around and shield us, or you can't just press W.
I was getting to the stairs and then turning around and popping my shield up and just watching all you guys still down there dying. Even though we all have the same run speed, I was getting there before everybody else and then turning around and having time to watch everyone die. Which is why it seems to me like there's hesitation or something.
Well,
'Cause
when the whole team is behind us, yeah, there will be.
So I've been turning my shield around to walk backwards sometimes so that I can deflect some of that damage to funnel us in. So what I did was I walked into that small room on the right, and then I waited for about a 2 count so that you guys can come in there with me. And then I walked out of the room and went up the stairs, and then turned around once I got halfway up the stairs to shield, and everyone was still down in front of that small room. So I can't. If I go any slower, I'm not going to have a barrier by the time we get to the top. Like, we just have to go together. We have to go fast.
We didn't have enough move speed to do that. You would have to turn around and shield us. That's the thing.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I did.
Oh, we restarted match.
Oops.
Now entering the temple of Anubis.
Are they
Okay.
attacked right now?
Can I try Anna? She's my second most played.
Yeah.
I think a problem there is that we have that puts 3 healers.
Yep.
Wait,
Like,
what
I
do you
don't-
mean 3 healers?
I don't think we're gonna ever run this, so we probably shouldn't bother practicing it for now.
Okay.
And Stack was trying to say was, you need to get behind us when we're pushing up those stairs. So when the trace comes up and blinks into us, I have to immediately turn around and save our heals, and that gets me killed because I'm not getting support.
Oh yeah, yeah, you're totally right. I was. So, like I said, I would go into the small room. I'd say, okay, let's go. I'd go into the small room, and I'd wait for a second so everyone could come into the small room with me. And then I just pushed W, and I walked to the base of the stairs and turned around and opened my shield up, and was just watching everyone dancing around trying to fight down there. Or not everyone, 3 people.
Well, I think we probably should have not kept trying to do that, because every time we just got killed from behind. So maybe we shouldn't
We didn't have the move speed
try to
for
keep
it.
going that way when we know it doesn't work.
Or you would have to be shielding us through that turn.
Well,
'Cause
we went main, and we went left as well.
Left, I
And-
think, worked a lot better.
Try not to get yourself
And
shelled up.
each time, by the time I got to where we were going, it was like me and one other person, and then there was people all behind. So, like, we just have to move as a unit. We all have to hold W and walk together. And if someone flanks, we call it out. We all stop. We turn.
Alright,
but if
alright.
it's
it was called.
It's okay, focus on the game. Right now your point is too old.
Try
Push
to-
point as long
I'm
as
not,
you
I'm
can.
not holding my thing.
Contact.
They're going right.
Yep.
Half
You're
of them are
you're
going right.
You're right.
Yep, they're all right.
Monkey low. Oh, we gotta get Mercy.
Wait, why do we have Zarya?
It's alright. Get the D.Va.
Charging in, charging in.
Sombra behind.
The D.Va.
Nice.
Back up, back up.
Mercy's low on the bridge.
Enemy contact.
Sorry, that was a bad charge, guys. I missed my pin.
It's okay, it's lost. Just
I
for
think
next point,
Stack, you went in
Yeah.
there and started swinging,
we have
and
the
then
Sombra, so try
everyone
to
just-
defend the L pack.
My ult this objective has
If
my
she can
name
get the
written
L pack,
all
you just farm XP, so
Pretty has it.
She's got it.
Just got it.
You just got it.
Why, well, no one else went down there.
I couldn't make out what Pigeon was saying there.
Like going right, right?
charging.
Don't peek beyond my shield.
I should. That's how I get charged.
D.Va.
Ah! I didn't mean to hit Q, god damn it!
it's okay. Try to stall the point as long as you can.
I have Rav.
I have my ult too. We can combo.
Stay alive, Lisa.
Mercy's
Just go
coming
hide in the
soon,
corner.
so she can res you.
Don't worry.
Alright, alright. Are you here with me, Zarya?
Grab a barrage, grab a barrage.
Hold the point a bit longer. Zarya's coming with grab.
Complete. Score 0-2. Switching sides.
Let's switch back to tanks the other way.
Okay.
Because I do not think stack on tanks working at this point, the way we're set up.
I don't think that's why we're losing here.
Yeah, that was not really a problem. I'll get more in depth after that. You can still try to switch around comp.
Yeah, I'm fine with whatever.
But right now, Just
Route 66.
Route 66.
That
Rush
gas
B.
station with that good fuel.
Groot 66.
Yes.
I am Groot 66.
It's Groot fuel.
Pigeon?
yep. So yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Blue Saber, I really want to hear you more.
Okay.
You're not speaking a lot this match. And we really
Well,
need
I
you
was
to
kinda
call
talking about that,
where the engagement is going, when it is the disengage. Like, when you die, you have, like, kill cam is disabled, so the only thing you can do at that point is just see what is going on in the fight. So use that and try to see with what you had in knowledge before you died, is it okay to fall back? Should you fall back or should you stay?
Should you
For
stay
the
or
team.
should you go now?
Yep. Try to focus more on ultimate. I called them once in a while. So try to call for the combo. You didn't do any for Anubis. So try to be more adept on that.
Okay.
Blue, would you like me to help you make calls?
Well, I think I want to work on what Pigeon was saying. Is if I die, I need to be able to call him out even while I'm dead.
Okay.
So let's try on that for this round.
Alright.
Okay, good.
Appreciate the offer.
I have a small suggestion, Blue, if you're game
Uh-huh.
for your shot calls. When you do a call out, you generally say "Let's get this," and then you say the name. Just say the name. Just yell the name a couple times, so it's a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
If I can remember the name, yes. Yeah, that part in the beginning is usually me trying to remember the name.
Yeah, I can tell sometimes when that happens. Could be like, let's get this. But just in general, if you know the name right away, just say the name.
If you don't, you say to the right or something. Well,
Yeah.
you can turn to the right and kill that person.
I don't think they're ready yet. They're debating.
Yeah,
putting
they're
somebody in.
waiting for Jim to swap. They were ready like 10 minutes ago. We were talking.
Yeah.
I guess we're ready as long as they are.
Well, they just. I think they were just swapping some people around, so
Okay.
Yeah.
I would just let them know that we're ready to go.
66.
You know what? Screw it.
Okay, you want to do that?
Oh my.
Let's do this.
Guys.
Why
We
not?
got wrecked by this strat, so let's do it.
No, it's...
Yeah, but it
Let's
could
get a
have
May, we need a May.
easily been broken. Actually,
Yeah?
Siren and I were talking about the other
Good.
day that if she had ult, it would have just deleted their entire comp as Sombra. So, like, it's very easily counterable.
Okay.
Wait, did I say Trident? Trippin. Trippin and I were
Yeah,
talking
it was
about
tripping.
Yeah.
Tripping with Sombra.
You can try again for defense the Sombra if you want. That's a really good mat for her.
Okay. I just don't really have a lot of, I guess, practice with her. I've been trying, but, you know, she's not really my strong suit.
We can run triple DPS on that one. And
Okay.
I'll run Sombra.
Actually better for the Bastion to have at least one shield and one Diva.
That's what I was
Wait,
thinking.
we're not actually running Bastion, right?
Why not?
I thought we were.
You
With
can
lethal
swap
Bastion?
Trident and Lethal to get
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Wait, what's going on?
Lethal.
Well, I'm not going to risk
What,
if we...
what do you want me on?
Lethal, okay, no, Junkrat is good because they're gonna have a Reinhardt and that'll help break the barriers.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
play
roll with
Junkrat.
this.
Okay.
Who's playing Junkrat?
You are.
It
Okay.
hasn't happened yet, so just
Group
take
up,
it up.
group up.
So are we trying this game or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on,
Of course
group
we
up.
are.
Alright, focus that Diva on the left.
I hear a Roadhog.
Winston.
Vincent jumping in.
Winston, right, focus Winston. Now get the Roadhog.
Shield's gonna go down and
Diva.
now.
Whoa!
Roadhog.
Help Trident.
Already used res.
D.Va. Gosh, this is
Enemy
Mercy.
contact.
Have mercy.
Back up,
Okay,
back
you
up,
can
back
fall
up. Back up.
Winston was just behind us the whole time. No one killed him after he jumped.
Trippin', you want to get some health?
Yeah.
They're also running triple tank.
My ultimate is charging.
Maybe we should have Reaper for that.
I'm ready
Alright,
to
group up.
initiate some-
Don't engage until we group up. Alright,
We're
we're here.
above.
Jeffer Road.
Rogue one.
Move up with our Rhine, guys. Get this Winston.
This will protect us.
Winston.
You can still kill him. He's in the team.
Ultimate is ready.
Get the Winston.
Why does Winston not die?
I don't have shield for this. Nice.
Okay, good.
I'm trying.
Take cover.
I'm dead.
Alright, get in there with our Rhine and get the Winston.
What?
I'm on fire.
Alright,
Okay,
back
switch
up.
it around.
How did we let him just kill literally all of us? The one soldier.
The problem was is that I died because of the fucking
We'll
D.Va
go- let's
ult,
go over it
and then
after
we
the
were
game.
down a
It's
person.
being
Okay,
recorded.
careful,
We'll go
careful.
over it.
Why are we stopped?
D.Va one.
Winston behind on our healer.
Roadhog.
Roadhog's trying to hook me at all times.
Yeah, I'm getting melted here. I need some help up here too.
Alright, push forward.
There's still
one.
more like in the aggro.
Get the Winston. Winston. D.Va.
I have Shatter. He fell.
I don't think it's. I have gold damage and we have a Junkrat. I just.
Get this Junkrat. Or Hog.
Heals, please.
Keep going.
Get the Mercy.
Behind us.
Help
Fine.
mercy, guys.
Get this soldier behind.
Oh!
Okay,
missed
reset
him.
fast. Lethal switch up Junkrat.
What do you want me on?
I think we should run something we're actually going to run in a tournament game. So we're practicing what we're going to play.
Ryan, go back on Winston.
My ultimate is charging.
Once you ult Trident, go back on.
I think I'm doing good as Ryan. I just think I'm
Okay.
taking so much damage. Like,
Yeah, we need to keep up with
They
our
have triple tank. We need more damage than what we have anyways.
So group up with our Rhine. Stick on his butt. Look at it. It's big.
get a shadow here if I can.
I got Visor.
Let's go.
Alright, get in there, guys. Get that.
Yeah, mercy.
Mercy.
He's one.
Nice. Get the soldier now.
Roadhog. I'm down.
I'm out of mech.
Get the Roadhog still.
Dead.
Okay, keep going.
Stay on the payload. 3 on the payload. D.Va,
Good,
Good job.
she's just hanging out up there.
Oh, alright.
It's probably getting ready to stall.
My ultimate is charging.
Yep.
They
There
can
she
try
is.
to come in. Help you, Winston.
No.
Don't leave them alone.
D.Va,
Mercy,
D.Va.
Take her out. I'm slept.
D.Va out of mech.
Clean up
Please,
the
please,
payload,
please,
guys.
please, God! I shouldn't have been there. Fuck. I'm just so bad tonight. God.
Soldier behind.
It's okay.
It's okay. Focus on the game.
Get the soldier. Nice. Get the Winston.
Good ult. Trip.
Thanks.
I'm slept. Get the mercy.
On point. I don't want
Need help
This
here.
Winston.
I'm getting focused by tanks. You gotta get mercy. Are you able to res me?
It's another time. Try to hold point. Stay on point
I'm down.
if you can.
Get the Anna if you can.
I don't think we're gonna make it now. Yeah.
It's okay.
I have gold limbs and damage as a tank. I don't think this should be happening.
We don't give a shit about medals.
I'm
And
just
That's
pointing
been
out
called
that
at least
people
5
aren't-
times by you two.
It's okay. We don't care about that, guys. And just, it's normal. You got it. You got AoE damage with your hammer, so we don't care about that.
Can you please let me play Ryan again?
Whoa, what?
Just restart the game just so we
Oh.
can go at until the end.
We're not gonna have enough damage, but okay.
I mean, I can play an actual DPS since Stax is Zombra.
Actually,
play
Saber,
healer.
what do you play usually, other than support?
I usually either play a tank or
no, for
like
Saber.
Farah. Oh.
What was that?
What do you usually play except off support?
I play a little bit of DPS like Soldier. And
I
I play
just-
Diva.
I could switch with you. I could play Anna.
Or you can go for
Well,
Japan, go for
I think-
Farah.
Hang on. Hang on.
Yeah,
I didn't.
oh, okay.
I didn't expect us to completely throw off our comp by playing Sombra. I thought it was just gonna.
Sombra is
Like
using
we're-
it with slow heals, so.
The thing
Blue,
is,
do you play
I
Ana?
didn't want to play.
Well, I can just go back to
Tank.
DPS. I'm not trying to throw a wrench and everything. We got enough to work on as it is to be like doing super crazy comps. So I can just go back to being Soldier. Or
If
probably
we put Blue on Anna, I might be able to stay alive a bit longer and do some more stuff. Cause like right now I'm just dying right away. So
You got it.
that might- yeah,
Okay,
that'd
good
be good.
get.
Cause like I keep getting good shatters and then having a bunch of people low and then I just get focused down.
I wasn't there for a single shatter. Oh no, I was at the very end. The one that actually that worked.
Brian, why are you down there?
Yeah, we need to get down with the Ryan then if we were going to be playing there.
Yeah, far.
So book someone.
All right, Winston.
This will help.
They have a widow. She got me.
Heroes never die.
We got a Tracer behind. Can you get the Tracer?
Help your Reinhardt, guys. Help your Reinhardt.
President
Follow me.
14.
Fly to me if you're in trouble.
I'm down. Get the Tracer, or get the Mercy. Mercy.
Well, I'm just gonna get out because I'm pretty sure we're all dead, right?
Yep. Get out.
My ultimate is charging.
Oh, she killed you? What?
Oh, why didn't
Okay.
you could have put your shield up?
I thought you could just wraith away and I was gonna kill her.
That was on cooldown.
It's okay, just get out, get out. Try to regroup before our next checkpoint.
Trident, please back up, please back up.
No one can hide from my sight.
Widow
Dude,
has
this
sight.
Tracer,
They have a Widow and she has sight.
she's going down.
I might have to switch if that's the case. Because like this widow is really
Tracer behind.
Tracer.
Just switch off Chipin. Off.
Oh, never mind. Eh.
Tracer.
I will watch over you.
Oh dear
Oh
God!
my, what?
You hooked it.
I hooked it before she ulted.
No, that widow.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just got killed by
Get
Mercy.
out. Get out.
All right, I've got Blossom. We can do a
I
Shadow
have
Blossom.
Shatter, yep.
Or we can just do. How close is Nano?
I just got it.
Okay.
We can do that too.
No
Coming,
one can
Winston.
hide from my
Watch out,
Yeah,
she has
sights
wall
again.
axe. I'm just gonna shield out.
I'll call the Nano though. Don't just do
Winston
it.
They're going
one.
in. They're going in.
Pressure behind.
Mercy, get this Mercy, she's alone.
Mercy.
We need to
Okay.
get on point though.
You can go now. Let's go. 1 point.
We have super advantage. I'm gonna Blossom, but don't Nano or Shadow.
I'm down.
Break the bubble, break the bubble.
Trust your teammate to get on point for next time, Siren.
Widow's low on top.
Okay, good. You hold it.
I'm moving the pain.
On point.
Oh,
Point.
they're
Point.
back
fast.
upping, they're back hiring.
Careful. They still have a Widowmaker.
Mercy? Watch out, you're gonna
Got
get
her.
sniped. Oh, nice.
Nice.
No, yeah,
Nice.
Spanish was up there.
I hear a Winston.
Just
Tracer.
Yeah, this tracer is a big problem.
Yep, we need to group up though with Trident.
Where's that position?
Just watch, make sure we don't get back up. The card is moving back, so let's hold up here.
What's the Z
Winston's on the roof behind you, Stack.
Stack behind you.
Archie behind you again.
Help Stack if you can.
Both on me. Need heals. Need heals.
Help your Mercy.
Oh, let's break it.
Tracer behind. Can we get her?
They all just jumped on us at once.
He's dead.
Heroes never
Build in motion stays in motion.
Why don't we
Okay,
call
group up for the next
retreat?
fight.
My ultimate is charging.
Lethal, can you switch up for main tank?
Yeah. You gotta let us know.
Blue,
before you
throw
switch
nano
off
on
the
me
main tank.
this next fight when I call it.
My ultimate is charging.
Okay.
Are you gonna give it to Soldier?
Yeah.
Fish
Soldier.
is above.
Oh wait.
No,
Wait.
no,
Stack.
Reaper. Give it
I
the
can't
Reaper.
bubble you up there, you're too far. Get back.
Double in now.
Tracer behind.
I'm not
Nano
sure why you
nano
dived
nano
in that far.
Ah, wrong.
No, that was it. That was
I'm
it.
down.
No, we got dissolved in the back.
Wow.
God.
It's okay, just group up fast. Shuffle tripping.
Stay out of my way.
Who's out there? Tripping, come here.
No.
If you'll drop it.
Okay, you need to contest now.
Watch your Tracer.
Heroes never die.
Get this.
Did she not just do
I
that?
popped my ult.
It's okay, focus on the game.
Oh, tanks are down.
Winston down. Get this Diva. Diva duo.
This is not your time. Enemy seen.
Get the Winston still.
I will watch over you.
Tactical visor activated.
On point.
We still need you.
Okay, that was wasted on my part. Sorry.
It's okay.
Focus the Diva. Focus the Mercy if you can. Never mind.
Complete.
Apparently, an ulting Mercy can out-heal a 100 energy Zarya.
Yeah. It's
Yes.
it's insane.
It's 20 a second. It's about.
I
the same.
mean-
it's a little bit more than a Lucio passive.
An ulti Mercy?
Yep, she gets 20.
No,
a
I
second.
mean her left clicking, like healing other people.
It's 60.
Yeah.
So it cannot bypass Zarya.
It's 60, but it's on everybody.
I guess
It's
she was
on,
being
like,
healed by
direct
someone
line of
else
sight
too
from
then,
there.
because I was left clicking her at 100 energy and she just, her health never went down. Not even one.
You know, you just
You
love
there
it when
bubble
we-
me multiple times, never got a bubble.
What's going on?
Well, we did the
let's
format.
not like be super critiquing of each other. Let's just like we're like so. I'm just gonna say this real quick. My buddy that was playing with us the other day, the Zapria guy, he messaged me later and he's like, I don't ever want to play with you guys again. You're all super mean to each other and super hard on each other. Like, I really think we just need to like just chill out and have fun. Like, we don't need to be super analyzing everything everyone does at the end of a match. Like, let's just focus on yourself. Let's just work on getting better as a team. Like, it just kills everyone's morale if we're all just like super harping on each other all game. So
I feel like that was directed towards me, and all I said was I was expecting
no.
bubbles.
And if you take it
I
offensive,
didn't.
if you take it personally.